Hi, I'm Gil Davis, sales consultant up here at Andy Moore Buick GMC in Fishers, Indiana, one of the largest GM dealerships in the region. Today, we're going to talk about the Regal, the Buick Regal 2014, just what makes this vehicle so regal. All right, we got three different trim levels. We got the 1SL, which is the leather package. We have the premium, and then we have, of course, the GS, which is the top of the line, this one right here. Let's take a look at it. Another thing you're going to notice is the Buick Regal, it carried over all the convenience from the center console to an easier operation on the steering wheel itself. Now on the steering wheel, you can set your cruise control. You also have a heated steering wheel. You have your reset and your set, restart and set on the cruise itself. You can answer your phone by this button right here, so you don't have to be looking for your phone. If somebody calls you, you hear the phone come through your system, you can answer it right here or hang it up. Over here on the right-hand side, if you want to go into your features and find out what is going on with your gauges, how much gas, how much miles can you go, you can go into that. You can set your settings, you can set your radio stations, you can move from one song on the audio to the next. You got your volume control right here. So the whole steering wheel and the technology is designed to keep your hands on the steering wheel without moving around so much. I like that.